Imagine having Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with Hexbot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05mm high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. Hexbot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. Hexbot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. Hexbot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on Hexbot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling Hexbot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control Hexbot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring Hexbot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop. We are bringing our product here on Kickstarter. We have iterated and tested the product in the past 2 years. The product is now ready for manufacturing, but we need your help to press play on production. Back us today and start to bring your ideas to life.
Accidents happen, so you need a better way to clean. Introducing Omisonic, the wireless ultrasonic washer. Omisonic is a washing machine for virtually anything, including fruits, vegetables, delicate fabrics, jewelry, silverware, and more. It even comes with portable paper soap. The app comes with unique settings for specific items, and you can even make your own. Inside Omisonic is a powerful yet compact ultrasonic motor. Simply soak the item in water, insert Omisonic, then push start on the app. Once activated, it generates microscopic air bubbles in the water that collapse and create powerful jet streams that remove dirt and bacteria. For small items, Omisonic saves money by using less water and energy than standard washing machines. Before Omisonic, cleaning jewelry could be tricky.
Honey, where's your wedding ring?
But now you can wash those hard-to-reach spots without worrying about damage. And Omisonic is wireless. Throw it in a bag, in a suitcase, or your pocket, and you're good to go. Omisonic is made for travelers, especially ones who want to keep clean.
Dad, what?
Just find a body of water, put it in, and you've got a portable washer anywhere you go.
Hi, I'm John, but you may know me by some of my other names. The Man, Big Brother, or my recent favorite, the Corporate Overlord. It's guys like me that are after your data and making a total mockery of your online privacy. And it's not just Big Brother you have to worry about. These days, everyone is watching. Meet Eddie. Ooh, whose profile are we looking at today, Eddie? Let's hit him with some ads. This is Tom. Luckily for him, he uses Winston. Winston is a hardware filter that protects your privacy online and keeps your information safe. Just install Winston between your modem and router, and you can retake your data and decide what you want to share with me and my buddy here.
Tom set his up in minutes.
Winston adds a layer of protection to all your devices. And thanks to Winston, Tom no longer has to worry about getting ads on his phone just because he talked about something.
How about Hawaiian pizza tonight?
Ooh, sounds good.
Isn't that creepy? And that precious smart TV? You used to watch your TV. Now your TV watches you. And Winston has its very own comprehensive dashboard. Dig into your network analytics to find out what exactly is being filtered, where it's coming from, and who's running it.
You know I can see you, right?
All right, guys, it's time to go. He has Winston now. So protect your family and your information with Winston. Hi, I'm new in the neighborhood. Mind if I take a look at your search history?
This is PIVO. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. PIVO can follow you as you move,
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. PIVO partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with PIVO you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. PIVO has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo, whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with many you. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers. Or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the PIVO tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. PIVO can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. PIVO is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get PIVO. Be creative. Insanely creative.